We are going to tackle white lasagna today. I'm gonna double up on the bell pepper, use a full onion, Peruvian onion.
Save that for the dog.
Cause you ain't getting on this lasagna, boy. Just get 4 cloves of garlic to go into the meat. My ground beef, my Italian sausage, all my bell pepper, all my onion, and I did add some Rotel tomatoes, but that's not gonna turn it red. Now I'm actually gonna make our Alfredo sauce. The white sauce that's gonna go in here. I got about a stick and a half of butter in there, put some Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and then we have, I'm gonna use the rest of this Parmesan Alfredo. Add some heavy whipping cream. Two cups of spinach. I made quite a bit of a mess, so let me clean up. I just popped the lasagna in the oven. 40 minutes. I put it on there for 45. Already set the timer. So 40 minutes in the oven at 350. We're gonna see how she comes out. I don't know. We'll know in 40 minutes. In the meantime, it's my cleaning time. These beautiful things that I've got. Would you guys eat that lasagna? Pretty sure you would. Okay. Put that in there like so. Yes. One for me and one for the doggy.